creating charts with spark lines is also possible here in Excel. So in this lecture we'll know how to create spark lines. So we are selecting this data for creating the spark lines. So from here, from insert options, we can go here and we can see the spark line options. So by clicking on the spark line, so whatever you want, so you can select lines, columns, win or loss, these kinds of spark lines. So I am selecting here the column. So after that, this dialog box will come and you have to choose, select where to place your spark lines, so you click here and then after selecting this column, it's automatically filled up in this box, and by after clicking just OK, you can see the spark lines, like column based spark lines. So from here you can change the spark line colors. I'm changing this. Oh, it was before that. So I'm changing these colors, marker color. You can change the styles of the spark lines. You can format or design the spark lines as you wish. By knowing everything in Excel, you will be an expert on data processing or presenting your data. So that's all for this section.